Hello friends, welcome back to PLC Programming channel. Today I am going to discuss how to configure the analog to digital card in Q series PLC. First, we need to open the GX software. Okay, in this, just on the left side, see the parameter, all the settings, intelligent function module, global device comment. So friends, here you have to go to intelligent function module and select new module, and a screen pop up. Here you see the module type and which you want: analog module, temperature input module, and the other several modules. So first select your module, this type of module you want to connect or calibrate. Okay, so first we will choose analog module, and in this module I have the module name Q64AD. Okay, and these are the several modules under analog module. So I have chosen the 480. Okay, now give it to OK. Now it has been configured and we have to change some settings. So first go on to switch setting. Here the input rates remain same, and these are 4 to 20 milliampere. Okay, and you can change here from this drop up 0 to 5 volt, 1 to 5 volt, minus 10 to 10 volt according to your AD card. Okay, so I have selected 4 to 20 milliampere and give it to OK. Now go to parameters. Here you have to enable the channels which you want to use. Okay, and ch1, ch2, 3, 4, these are the channels which you have to use. Just enable it from here. In this case it is by default enabled. Okay, and you can change the settings from here. The settings for the time average, number of times, time specification, process setting. Okay, means the sampling process or average processing you can select from here. So after that you can you, or you can leave it okay, leave it default, and now go to auto flash option. Here you find the channel 1, 2, 3 which you have enabled, and see the digital output value. Digital output value means the value which will come from the field, from the sensor to the AD card, and AD will do to convert the analog values into digital form. And where will it see? Where will you see? You see in that address which you put here. Okay, like I have entered D100. So here D100, the output value which AD card convert will shows here. Okay, like for CH1 as well as CS2, CS3, CS4, and these are the minimum and maximum values which you want to take in the range. Okay, if you want the values within the range of 100 count to 200, 300, or 2000, 3000 count, so the values displayed in your data address is between the maximum and minimum value. Okay, and see here in the bottom of this transfer direction, intelligent mode, these all are the details. The maximum value or the converted digital value, Okay, the maximum value are stored is sample process time. So these are the basic settings for intelligent function module, and in this case we are doing for analog settings. Okay, I hope you understood these settings. Thank you.